Hi guys, my name is Neda Gavini and I was Miss Heart in 2015. I mean, I still am Miss Heart in 2015 because there isn't any other Miss Harding other than myself. Yes. Excuse this sassiness. Um, Otherwise, guys, it's been a journey. It's been 6 years already. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. I learned so much. I learned so much from that pageant. I know I was asked to mention my achievements or my accolades since the pageant, but I choose to mention the pillars that I learned during Miss Harding, which are discipline, perseverance, being feisty, and resilience, because those are the pillars that I have applied not only in my modeling career, but I've also applied in my life in general, or in my life at large, in my studies, in my personal life, in my career, modeling, and any so many more. So I have achieved a lot, and I have grown so much. So much. So, I mean, from those pillars, I was able to complete my degree. I was able to work for prestigious companies out there that I never thought that I would be ever be able to work for. But because of those pillars, I was able to work in those prestigious companies and able to generate myself some income, to be able to buy myself some nice things. And I really mean nice things. What else? Yeah, I have met so many people during my modeling career. And by the way, with my modeling career, I'm now doing commercials. Well, I still do pageants as well, and I still struggle, to be honest with you. You never really master anything with pageants. It's a learning curve that never seem to reach that plateau level. Anywho, so yeah, I'm currently signed with Boss, but before that, I was signed with a couple of um, modeling agencies when I back in Cape Town, such as Top Core, 20 Model, Pulse, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even think that I worked there, but yeah, at some point I was signed with Pulse because I was hoping. Anywho, I'm currently signed with Boss now, which is one of the biggest modeling agencies in South Africa. And I've done commercials such as the TFG commercial, the Fortune Group. I've done fashion shows. I was a model in 2018, the whole year for Food Lovers Market. Food Lovers Market. What else? Yo, Nkosi yami. Ngeke ngizikhumbule zonke kodwa ke. Yeah, and I also did, my goodness, completely forgot, some boutiques, so many more. What I'm trying to say to you is not really what I have achieved in that modeling industry, but in life at large. So I completed my studies, and I never want to say this, but I mean, at the age of 21, I was able to buy myself a car from the money that I had earned from modeling. And I'm currently working now, and I'm trying and struggling to juggle work with modeling because I still am modeling. And just now, I had entered for a pageant that I did in place. You know, that's not the important thing. That's the nice thing about modeling, is that sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but there's so much that you can learn. And one thing that I'm so proud of that I have learned was self-confidence, because no one can ever take that away from you, and nothing can ever take your self-confidence away from you. Whether you lose, whether you win, your confidence will still be there. And I hope and I wish that everyone that enters pageants, or that participates in pageants, will have that mindset. Because if it's about winning, then it just takes away the whole fun, the whole purpose of the pageants, which is basically to grow in experience. So yeah, I mean, this video was all over the show, that that's
I was.